teachers, principals, and my dear fellows. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Sayyida Rabika Imran. I am from grade 4A. Today is Monday, 24 November 2025. To start my day with the beautiful name of Allah, so I will like to call 5 for Kirat. Subhanallah. For the hadees, I will like to call Mikhail on the stage. The quote of the day, Nabiha, is here.
Quote of the day is, the best preparation for tomorrow is doing your best today.
Now for the word of the day, I would like to call Aisha.
The word of the day is, archaeology means study of words.
Thank you. For the speech, I would like to call my class fellows on stage.
These are born with about 300 bones that fuse into 206 adults. More than half of the bones are in their hands and feet. Our skeleton is also living, healing, and constantly remodeling. Tissue with bone being 5 times stronger than steel by weight. The skeleton has two main types of bone, compact and spongy. The collarbone is also called beauty bone. Thank you.
Our presentation, thank you.
Assalamualaikum everyone. Not like this again. Assalamualaikum everyone. Yes, this is the lively one. So today's nice presentation given by grade 4A student prepared by Ms. Saima Sayyed. Give a huge round of applause for the class.
Assalamu alaikum everyone and good morning to all of you. Today I am here to announce the high achievers for the second formative assessments. Congratulations to all the high achievers.
Very good morning to all of you and congratulations to all the students who have got the positions, and other students will get their results in the classrooms in the last unit. Alright. Thank you Ms. Pinish and Ms. Faiza. Big round of applause for them. And I can see a few position holders walking in now, so you will get your certificates on your floor. Alright. Thank you.